It's time to take a look at Ringke Case lineup for the Apple iPhone 13 Pro, Pro Max, and just the regular iPhone 13. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Ringke's case lineup for the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, starting off with the Fusion magnetic case. This is a MagSafe case, so it is compatible with the MagSafe ecosystem, so you're going to be able to take advantage of MagSafe. So without further ado, this will run you about $20. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick it up. It's available from Amazon with Prime shipping. So I'm gonna do a unbagging, a casing of the packaging. This is your typical packaging from Ringke. They all have the same similar packaging, so I'm just gonna do one and then we're just gonna take a look at the rest of the case lineup. So without further ado, let's get this, and you're gonna get this 20% off accessories, the clear removal of the plastics, with which I already did, and you're gonna get the case itself. So let's take a look at the case here, and we have the Fusion MagSafe case. It is a frosted back, which I kind of like, and you do have that ring there for the MagSafe case ecosystem there. Soft TPU on the edges, but without further ado, let's grab the Sierra Blue device and voila. Look at this bad boy. It looks amazing. So this is wirelessly compatible and it will charge with your MagSafe or any other MagSafe devices. But it looks and feels amazing. They do got that frosted black adding to your Sierra Blue look there. On the side you can see your shiny stainless steel edges there. Bam. And talking about the sides, we have 100% covered buttons, and they are nice and tactile, very responsive. Even the power button itself, the mute slider is easily accessible, no issues with accessing the mute slider there. The cutouts are nice and precise. There's plenty of room around the charging port. If you want to use a third-party charging cable, you absolutely can. You do got small minimal Ringke branding right there at the bottom right corner of the case, but this case looks amazing. You got lid protection around the camera lens right there, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, but it does not mitigate the wobble shaky. You still are able to shake and wobble the phone while it's laying on a flat surface because of the camera bumps there. On the front of the phone, you do got lid protection with this case all around that screen there, so you are protected all around that screen. Even with the tempered glass screen protector currently installed from the Whitestone Dome screen protector, you still have lip around that camera lens, so you are protected around that screen. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, no issues there. So this is the Ringke Fusion magnetic case. It is available on Amazon for $19.99. You can pick it up with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself. You most definitely can. The Fusion X case. So this case will run you $13.99, also with Prime shipping. You can pick it up at the link below. Now this case is a very rugged looking case. Nothing wrong with this case though. It looks and feels amazing. $13.99. You do have a bunch of design, rugged design here. It is covered, a bunch of textured on the sides for added grip. You do have the FX branding there for Fusion X. And you do have Ringke branding, no, right there. I thought I did see it. I was gonna say no, or down below on the bottom of the case. You got little feet there on the back of the case, along with this massive lid protection around that camera lens, so you are protected when you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. And along with those feet, the feet do mitigate the shaky wobble, so you do not got shaky wobble with this case, when you lay it on its back on a flat surface, you can type easily without the phone rocking and shaking. On the front of the phone, you do got lip protection with this case all around this beautiful screen. I do have a tempered glass screen protector, and even with that, we do have lip protection, so you are protected when you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. No issues with that whatsoever. All the cutouts nice and precise. Look at that. The power button is rigid, so you do have texture to it, and it's nice and tactile, very responsive, as well as the volume rocker there, nice and responsive for 100% covered buttons. And your mute slider easily accessible. Look at this rugged beauty there. This case absolutely looks amazing on the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. $13.99 with Prime shipping. You can pick this up on the link below. Next up is the Onyx case. This Onyx case is available for $11.99 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below. It looks and feels amazing. Soft TPU style case. Adds slim to none bulk to your phone. You do have Ringke Onyx branding right there, as you can focus right there, along with a lanyard placeholder. You also have 100% covered buttons, which are nice and tactile, very responsive. You have this added rigid grip here, textured on the sides of the phone, so the phone will not slip from your hand with this case. The mute slider easily accessible, no issues with the mute slider, and all the cutouts are nice and precise, no issues there. The camera lens, look at that, bam, protected by that huge lip right there, so your camera lens are protected when you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, and this does not mitigate the shaky wobble wobble. You still get it with this case, but you do get lip protection all around the front of this screen there with this case, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat face down on a flat surface. No issues with that. And this case looks and feels amazing, so if you're into this case, it is the Ringke Onyx, available for $11.99. Also for $11.99 you can get the Ringke Airas silicone style case. This is soft TPU, very matted, feels amazing, almost matches the color of the phone, but not just quite. It's still a little bit purple on this color. It is available in different colors, so make sure you hit the link so you can choose the color to your liking. But we do have lip protection there around that camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. It does not mitigate the shaky wobble wobble. We do have lip protection all around that beautiful screen there, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its face on a flat surface. The buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive, very clicky. Mute slider easily accessible. Bam, look at that. You do got cutouts for a lanyard as well, and Ringke branding right there. Bam, you can see it. Very nice case, very minimal case, very slim case. So if you're looking for a nice slim case that's going to give you the protection, just the right amount of protection, make sure you hit up the Airas silicone case from Ringke, $11.99. And last but not least is the Ringke Airsoft transparent TPU. This is a very soft style TPU, clear case, nothing to it. Ringke branding right there, 100% covered buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible. Also got lip protection around that camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. The camera lenses are not going to get scratched, but it does not eliminate that shaky wobble wobble. In front of the phone, you do got lip protection all around that beautiful 120 hertz display, ProMotion display, may I say, so you are protected when you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. No issues there. This is their Airsoft transparent case right here, translucent. All the cutouts are nice and precise. I forgot to mention that earlier, but this phone is slim, very minimalistic case here if you want to preserve the look and feel of your iPhone, you can go ahead and do it with this case for $9.99 with Prime shipping. All these cases are wirelessly compatible. You can charge wirelessly, and the one with the magnetic strip, it is MagSafe compatible. There you have it, guys. This is Ringke's case lineup for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, or the 13. You can pick these up on Amazon. Link will be in the description below to all these cases. If you have any questions regarding any of these cases, make sure you leave a comment down in the section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.